Industry is becoming more and more online based. That's what it's like to live life now. Online work integrated learning is really setting students up for the future. My students come from many parts of the world. I've had students working agriculture, banking, biotech, advertising, all kinds of industries with really positive outcomes.
It's very convenient. We have live workshops and the lectures are very interactive, and we also have extra help from our teachers.
The LMS is our learning management system. All the material that we provide is on the LMS.
Lightboard videos are great for all the students. My math teacher explains key math concepts and it's very easy to understand.
I can write like I'm at the front of a classroom, and that gives the students a real chance to feel connected to me. It's a really helpful way to be able to learn.
I can pause to think and take notes. I love them. I also study at another university, and I found that teachers at La Trobe are more supportive and more approachable. I'm normally a very shy person, but on Zoom I just have to type my questions and it will all be answered.
We really take their needs into account. We make sure they feel a sense of community with the other students, which is super important for learning.
We can talk and we motivate each other.
They engage with others online and experience exactly the same challenges and successes as they will when they're working for industry. They're building a portable skill set that they can take across industries.
I feel very excited about my future. I definitely recommend online learning to everyone.